Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by going straight into Pubg game settings. You don't need to reboot or reinstall. Once inside, tap Account or Privacy to expose linked services and connection status. You must have the login info for the service you linked, Google, Facebook, or Apple, so you can confirm removal. Make sure location or network restrictions aren't blocking sign-in requests. If they are, switch to Wi-Fi or tethering. This first step gets you to the exact control panel where unlinking begins. Now you tap the specific link service and choose Unlink or Disconnect. This is the actionable removal. You'll see confirmation prompts because unlinking can affect cloud saves, purchases, or friend lists. Read them and confirm if acceptable. If the game asks you to re-authenticate, enter your password or 2FA code. That proves you own the external account. Once done, the game updates its connection flags. If the option is grayed out, switch off match mode and try again from the main menu. Finish by restarting Pubg so the client refreshes connection status. You want to see not connected on the account screen. If everything shows unlinked, you're done. Make sure purchases and progress remain accessible under your remaining login. If unlink fails, try clearing the app cache or temporarily uninstalling updates before repeating. As a key troubleshooting tip, if in-game unlinking still fails, log into the external service, Google/Facebook/Apple, and remove Pubg from your authorized apps there, then relaunch Pubg to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.